We got Mo here. He's gonna be the usual commentator.
Yes, Mo. I'm Mo.
That is Mo. Griffin's got it centered. Shoots the chips. We're working unders, working unders. Oh, throwing a risky pass to Pack. Pack throws a bit of a blade, but Chips reads it
absolute
like a dime. Let's go, Pack, man. Good assist.
Insane. Yeah, those really aren't that hot.
Jordan's getting ready to pull.
Oh, flip.
Flip. Oh,
Flip.
nice.
He is pushing me out of bounds, but he lands it in the fairway.
Let's go. We're getting down there. Around, around, around. Oh my, seal.
Woo. Seal!
Scoops does a great seal. They work it up line a little bit. Jordan seals it. Inside flick.
Wow.
Reset, reset. Glizzy moves through the pick. Ooh, Remy's doing some good shutdown. Ooh. So, tough catch, tough catch. Fence is on the mark. That's often a tougher round. Remy's inside, inside. Looking at fencer. Ooh, gotta react quicker. Up! Ooh. Maybe got a tip on that? I'm not sure. Maybe just got enough pressure to force it out of bounds.
Will explode.
All right, Scoops centers the BP. Let's see our handlers work it. Oh, nice, good up line. Jordan, caught early, get early. Yes! That's a rumble, baby!
Jordan getting ready to pull.
And we're getting ready for Mo's diss track.
Mo's diss track here.
Start him off strong, Mo.
3/4 of the D line was offsides.
Take that, D-line.
Not a bad pull.
It was a mild pull.
Mild at best.
Ooh, good. Oh, that's close. Oh, Scoops is slowing his guy. Up! Glizzy's.
Kenyon with the pull. I would like to.
Actually better than Jordan's.
I would like to make it known that I did not mean any of the things I said in the previous point.
Mo's diss track didn't go so well. So
I formally retract those statements.
we're gonna replace it with complimenting. Ooh, Chips. Way to stay in that open space. Whoa, oh, it's a little bit too much, but Pack bids. Let's go.
Jordan with the pull.
Let's go. Also, I can't believe I didn't have faith in Pac-Man last
great
one.
rip.
He put on the Jets and caught a really nice score. Ah!
Disc is up. Remy's on it.
That's a foul.
Okay, so we had a foul, no contest on Remy. It's up.
Yes, Glizzy with a massive D. Let's go. Man, he's using that one hand so well.
So it should be known Glizzy is playing with fractured knuckles. Or
And
knuckle.
Still really going well, yeah. Nice grab, Clyde. We're putting these out a little far, but we're grabbing them. BP traveled to the center of the earth.
Holy crap.
Ooh, great work, great. Ooh. Scoops, way to be confident. Nice. Lead him. Gorgeous, gorgeous work. We don't float as much. Oh, shoot. I don't think that. Maybe there's not. I don't think there's a
I
call.
think Jordan died.
I think he just meant.
Okay, so there's a Jordan injury call.
Yeah.
Now Simmons is in for Jordan.
Jordan was so close to getting that. He just landed rough on his back.
And Kenyon is now getting ready to tap in the disc.
Yeah, that is a tall guy. All right, Simmons got his hands low, ready to get that inside block. Ooh, great movement, great movement. Could use some rolls. Not coming, Gliz. Simmons doing good. Mark that around, no around. Simmons, let's go, let's go. Oh, great handler defense. Ah, got an up line.
Scoops all under.
Be around. Glizzy's gonna seal. Nice, good seal, good seal. Not coming, Clyde. I don't think he can hear us. BP, get there. Oh, good grab, good grab.
Clyde, tight.
Glizzy tight.
Clyde, no under.
Glizzy tight. Other side, Glizzy. Mo's flapping in the wind here.
That's my tag.
It's a great D point. We were making him work so hard for this. It's a lot of handler movement. Looking BP, looking BP. That looked so dumb. That was up? What? How was that up?
Kenyon with the pull through our O-line.
Guys, I'm finally growing chest hair. Let's go.
Books has reached puberty.
Let's go. My nipple hairs are about 2 inches long. Everything else is non-existent.
Looks like Kenyon comes out in his zone.
Ooh, nice read, Chips. Oh, way to move it, way to move it. Simmons with his flashy throws. Find those open spots. Good crash, good crash. Swing it, swing it, swing it. Back to Chips, maybe. Griffin's looking. Ooh, it was a good pop by Sweat, but he's covered. Oh, but it opened up wide to Chips.
Trench, stretch.
Pack, stretch even more, stretch even more. Trench, get ready, Trench, get ready.
Trench, stretch, stretch.
Trench, stretch. Trench, stretch, here.
Stretch.
Deeper. You got Trench, Chips. Read it.
Remember to
All
trench.
day. Nice, Trench. Pack. All day. Let's go.
Here comes the pull from Jordan. Sacco calls offsides.
Oh!
Yeah. Okay, so what the call was, Drew Bledsoe jersey called injury and is now replaced by Kyrie Irving. Scoops to BP. BP's looking for Clyde. Pump fakes Clyde, gives it to Scoops. Scoops gives it to Clyde. Clyde is going deep to Glizzy and Jordan were in the area. They turned it immediately to Jordan for a goal.
How did they turn that so fast?
Yeah. Pull from Jordan, I believe. BP on the mark. Passes it. Glizzy in pursuit. The up line. Scoops on the mark. Swing back around. Ooh. Good throw. Jordan with the almost D on Drew Bledsoe, who's extremely tall. The blade goes up. And it's D'd. Scoops takes his sweet time to get the disc. Now it's in. Oh, he's going deep to Chips.
Oh, get the leg spec there.
Get a little split action there. And then Masai's going to need to get this back on defense. That foot goes up.
Chips almost skies 6'8" legend.
Pulls up from Kenyon. Soap's gonna field it. Center it to Griff. They're running a zone here. Gives it to Soap.
Chips. Yep.
Gives it to Chips. Gives it to Griff again. Griff gives it to Pack on the sideline. Pack to Simmons, but it was Deed.
This is what they do with the zone. Kenyon's very good at covering the zone.
Kyrie Irving is weaving down, dribbling down the court field. And gives it to Marcus Smart, his teammate. Or was teammate, sorry. Kyrie's on to bigger and better things now. Gives it to Kentucky John Wall. Back to Marcus Smart. Griffin's on the mark. Oh, Trench with the almost layout D. This pull is by John Wall. Fielded by Soap. Back to Griff. To Chips. To Soap. To Simmons. Sibis, as Jester would say. Back to Soap.
Sobis.
Chibis. Chibis.
Simmons. Simmons has the goodness. Up to Pac-Man. Up to Chibis.
Roof.
Yeah! Pac-Man!
Jordan with the pull now. It's a beauty. There's Sweat running in front of the camera.
Another warm-up song that's like,
Ooh.
This bananas.
Good bid.
Yes. I always think,
To BP.
Splooge.
To Scoops. To Clyde.
That's half?
That's half. Clyde with the day.
It was like a big appetizer. I still had a lot of food left. Take his box. Oh.
Pull gets away from him.
Off the toes.
Turn.
Yes, Glizzy!
With D. Scoops is going to be on the pickup. Scoops looking at Clyde. Gives it to Clyde.
That's her.
Clyde.
Yeah!
Remmy's gonna pull me off. And Remy has pulled it off. Oh, that's a nice one. Darius Garland gets the disc. Darius Garland throws it back in. Let's see what kind of mark we got here. Drew Bledsoe, he's gonna shoot. Man, if I was... And... he's fast, but not that fast. Look at Sweat.
Look at the swagger he's walking with.
Sweat is walking with some swagger. And that was not quite... Oh. You can't spell fencer without H-I-M. Him. Remy looks like he knows what he's doing. Dons? Dons? I was hoping for a Dons goal. At this point, all I want is a Dons goal. Sweat the Dons is the look. Forcing the home sideline, Sweat gets cooked. Will Remy get cooked? Remy does not get cooked. Good defense, Remy. Good defense, Fencer. They're dribbling. Broken. That guy. Not in. That dude tapped it in. He's about 2 yards from the end zone. Ooh. They made him work.
That's it?
That is it.
Oh, wow. That guy really...
Soap fields the pull. Centers it to Griff. Looks like a zone here. To Chips. To Soap. To Chips. To Griffin. To Chips. To Simmons. To Soap. Soap.
Two
2
chips.
chips.
To Sweat.
2 Sweat.
To Gribbis.
Looking at Griff.
To
To
chips.
chips.
To Trench.
Marcus Smart with the pickup. Soap on the mark.
Marcus Smart.
Marcus Smart from Jester's favorite team. 10-yard hammer to John Wall.
John Wall.
To Marcus
Marcus
Smart.
Smart. Marcus Smart has the disc. We're gonna pass to that guy.
No jersey, not cool.
No jersey. He sucks. Crap dang it, he sucks.
To John
John
Wall.
Wall. Back in his Kentucky days, however. Not his Washington Wizards day.
To Kyrie.
To Kyle Irving. To Kyrie Irving.
To John Wall.
To John Wall. John Wall with the
And
score.
John Wall with the score. John Wall with his hand raised in the air. Griffin also with his hand raised in the
John
air.
Wall touched the ground first. That's a little odd. You don't see that every day.
No. John Wall pulls up.
What's up?
John Wall from deep pulls up.
From 3. Bang.
So slippery as is. Ends up on the ground.
Coming out in their zone again. To Griff.
Give it to Simmons.
To Chips.
He's wide open.
To Sweat. To Soap.
Soap against the ball. So best to Gribbit. Gribbit best to Sweat. Sweat best to Chip. Chips. Oh, Chip turned it over. John Wall does Marcus Smart.
The pull is up from John Wall. Running out their zone again. Chips has the disc right now.
So much field over here.
To Griff.
Stretch.
Gives it to Scoops. To Griffin. To Simmons. Now we're running. To Sweat. To Chips. Sorry, I was zoomed in there. I was watching the field, not the camera. That's my fault. My apologies, everybody. To Chips. To Simmons for the goal. Simmons. No.
Morley almost forgot to record this point. So you're welcome that I reminded him.
Saka actually reminded me. It's a good pull.
I told the defense to sonic boom their butts. Let's hope it works.
Fencer on the mark.
Remy, face him! Remy, face him!
Good D!
D by Remy. Remy is not full.
Remy ain't full yet. And
In
he's
fact,
wide freaking open.
He might be hungry. Scoops looking at Clyde, goes to
It goes to
BP.
BB catch by
BB.
BB bet.
BB to Clyde.
Clyde bet the BB. BB to Jorby.
Up.
BB to Jorby. BB to Jorby. BB to Jorby. BB to Jorby. BB to Sonic Boom them first.
Soap.
It's not bad, 10%. Inside of the boundaries. That's the perfect thing. Oh, they look hungry.
Let's see how D2 does versus D1. Oh, man. Trench is fighting hard, putting on a good mark. See if Schmello doesn't know around.
Kicking butt.
As long as he don't get any uplines. I wish they got enough. Looking hot, Trench!
The John Wall pull again.
All right. Nice and floaty. We are stacking left.
It's fielded by Soap.
Oh, let's go get some
Goes
yards.
to
Let's
Griff.
get some yards.
That's the best.
It's like, this is kind of just poachy. Nice cut by Simmons. That's too far. Good holster. Oh, nice pack. Way to get those under yards. A backhand special to Chips as he gets ridiculously bodied. Are we zoomed in?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So far.
Okay, he's getting a little. Oh no! He's getting high in the stall. I think he had to do something. It's a bummer.
Got pack on a mark. Can't see the disc, but it's there.
Come on, Fencer. Oh, Pack got a good mark. Made a throw, loopy throw.
The wind is picking up a little bit right now.
Last back sweat. We're still making them work in the handler space, but I hope they don't have a. Oh, come on. Throw some dicey throws. Trench looking. No round. Chips. Yes, Chips! Great D! Slow get up though, he's pretty tired.
It's gonna be Griffin with the disc now.
Yeah, I feel like, I don't know, I mean, Chiefs is getting open, showing high energy. Oh, great cut, Simmons. Oh, almost a foot block.
Perfect to Simmons.
Way to get it out. Oh no, Simmons!
Across
The
to
Pack
Pack.
He grabs it! Pack is the greatest!
Pack is a dog. He's so
Oh my
crazy.
gosh! Somebody.
It's a D line here. Glizzy with the mark.
Yeah, this is pretty fun, I guess.
Remy chasing the under. Clyde
Oh, Clyde.
almost gets there.
Oh, BB.
Now BP is chasing.
Oh, Scoops.
Ooh, Scoops with the almost block there. Sorry, I was zooming in.
Oh, BB.
Ooh, Clyde goes to that guy.
Glizzington trying to make a big mark for the defense.
I believe a pick was called here. There was a pick called, so now BP caught up to his guy.
Ooh.
Glizzy
Ooh.
on the mark again.
Oh.
Ooh.
That's what
And a gift to the D line.
we take advantage of.
Let's see if we can
that.
take advantage of
Take advantage
the
of
gift.
that. Ooh, BB with the pass. BB looking at pass the line with the scoop. Oh, how cute. Oh, go up to Jorby. Yes, Jorby.
Not in was called.
That's it. Alright. And it'll probably be like I'll pass this along.
Thank you so much for the gesture. Your team's doing great. You guys are awesome.
Yes, appreciate it. You guys are good. You have fun?
Damn it!
So, yes!
Dons.
Dons! Dons!
I smell it almost.
That was close, cleaning up the scraps.
I wanted Darnell to get that so bad.
No.
Don't know.
Darnold. Darn.
Yeah, Smart with a good pursue there. Ooh. Darius Garland. The disc. Oh, Soap almost. Drew Bledsoe towers over Remy. I was going cross field. The pool is going up. We're 1 point away from winning, I believe. It's a good hold here. That pool might have been out of bounds. Goes to Chips.
Very clean.
Then
Just
to
like
Simmons.
That. Very clean.
Then he's going to BP. Oh, and a good D. Ah,
Right under the camera.
makes it right to the camera. It's going deep. Completed. Not in. That's in. Pool is off from John Wall.
John Wall with the pull.
Scoops is going to catch
Scoops
the
is
disc.
going to catch the disc.
Catches it,
He
passes
catches
it,
and passes it to
Griffins. It's going to Chips. Chips is going to have to catch it. Yep,
Chips
that'll
is
work.
going to have to catch it.
Gives it to
Gives it to
Simmons.
Simmons.
Simmons
gives it
to
BP.
BP. Luckily, he didn't catch that because I don't think he was in front.
Unluckily, he didn't catch it. We would have won on an amazing catch.
So now we're going to have Messiah on defense here. Messiah O-line on defense. Oops. BP with the chase. Scoops. Blocking.
Kyrie Irving looking to shoot.
Kyrie Irving.
Kyrie for three.
Ooh, good catch.
He catches it. He catches it. He passes it. He passes it. He catches it. He catches it.
Pick called.
Good call, but he catches it.
Disc is back in play.
John Wall has
Oh, we're going deep to Marcus Smart to Simmons.
to do it.
Ooh,
He doesn't catch it.
almost a good catch.
That means we get to pass it.
We're looking to score here for the game.
For the game. We're going to score for the game. Griffin,
We're going deep.
He's going deep. Chips can't catch. Unfortunately. He looks to pass it. He passes it.
Pool is off.
And way out of bounds.
That's
Oh my
going
God.
into the trees or the soccer field. Okay, that was a gift. Griffin's gonna center it to the middle of the field, roughly the middle of the field.
They seem to be in a little bit of a zone, or at least just a poachy man.
Poaching man look. We're gonna flood the stack here.
Oh, Scoops with a huge save.
Scoops saves the point from Messiah. And he throws it right to,
one of their defenders.
who's that? Kevin Garnett? No, Karl Anthony Towns. I'm dumb. So now Messiah's gonna have to play defense here. They're going deep.
Deep shots up, and it's a dime.
He's caught. So we're going to Universe point.
Pool is off in universe.
Scoops BP and this is a big defensive hold here for Messiah. Us.